Hi, this is Evan from Databricks, and I'm here to talk about how you can scale data intelligence across your organization by solving a common problem. Databricks specializes in data intelligence, which is different than general intelligence. It means connecting AI to your enterprise data to provide contextual reasoning and solve domain-specific problems. A basic but effective method for doing this is retrieval augmented generation, which is a type of agent where you expose an LLM to your data and provides you with an interactive natural language experience. Now, this is a great place to start on your AI journey, but like anything else, it requires good data and a fair amount of data processing that happens behind the scenes. And most enterprises have this data locked away in SaaS applications, databases, and a sprawl of other data sources. This data can be structured, or in the case of SharePoint, unstructured. With SharePoint, many Microsoft customers store a variety of documents, including PowerPoints, PDFs, architecture diagrams, and so on. But luckily, with Lakeflow Connect, the new data engineering offering from Databricks, you can ingest data from these sources and more. Let's take a look at an example of using Lakeflow Connect and other Databricks tools to quickly and automatically stand up a SharePoint RAG application in a repeatable manner. Imagine we're part of a quality assurance team, and we keep all of our standard operating procedures in a SharePoint documents library. As you can imagine, the list of SOPs grows, and it can be hard to find the right procedure and get information quickly. First, the SharePoint user logs into the factory app. You enter the name of any SharePoint site, along with the site ID, and click Create. The app kicks off a Lakeflow job that performs all of the background tasks. You can check the status of this job in Databricks. First, the Lakeflow Connect ingestion pipeline is created. This pipeline makes sure that data is always kept up to date as you add new SharePoint files. The second step parses and chunks the PDFs and creates a vector search index with calculated embeddings. Finally, the chat app containing the OpenAI agent is deployed. The user can track the progress in the factory app. After a few minutes, the user will receive a link to the app where they can start chatting with their data. As you can see from the demo, we use Lakeflow Connect to automate the ingestion of the SharePoint files. Then we use the Databricks Agents framework to apply GenAI on the data. Then we wrapped it all together in a Databricks app, which gives end users an interactive session where they can chat with their data. The framework is repeatable and any team can start chatting with their SharePoint documents in minutes. With tools like Lakeflow and AgentBricks, the low-code GenAI solution, Databricks provides all the features you need to break down barriers and scale data intelligence across your organization, all with just a couple of clicks. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and good luck on your data intelligence journey.